Hello friends, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind,
so you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. And today's episode is super useful, especially for travelers. Our title is, At Immigration, Answering Questions, Politely.
Don't worry, we'll keep everything simple, warm and friendly. Think of this as a story, not a strict airport lesson. So, Adam, last month, I travelled for a short vacation.
Oh yes, you told me. You looked so excited. And a little nervous.
Haha, exactly. And when I arrived at the airport, it was time for immigration.
The moment when your heart goes thump, thump, thump.
Yes, even when you're a good person, with nothing to hide. So I walked to the counter, smiled and said, "Good morning."
A DAM. That's already a great tip. A polite greeting makes everything easier.
Let's learn a few useful words for immigration. 1. Purpose of visit. Meaning why you are coming to the country. Example, my purpose of visit is tourism. 2. Duration of stay. Meaning how long you plan to stay. Example, I will stay for 10 days. 3. Accommodation. Meaning the place you will stay. Hotel, Airbnb, friend's home. Example, my accommodation is Sunshine Hotel. 4. Return ticket. Meaning ticket that shows when you will go back. Example, yes, I have a return ticket for July 5th.
My purpose of visit is tourism.
I will stay for 2 weeks.
I am staying at the Sunrise Hotel.
Yes, I have a return ticket. Great job.
Okay, Alice, tell us. What did the immigration officer ask?
First he smiled and said, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
And you said,
"I'm here for a short holiday." He nodded and asked, "How long will you stay?" Then, "Where will you be staying?"
Classic questions.
Yes, and you know what helped me stay calm?
What?
I remembered a simple English expression. Keep it short and simple.
Oh yes, that's a great one. Immigration officers don't need long stories and just clear answers.
Here are some polite ways to answer immigration questions. I'm here for vacation. I'll stay for 1 week. I have my hotel booking with me. Here is my passport. Sure, no problem.
And here's a helpful idiom. Honesty is the best policy. At immigration, always tell the truth.
I'm here for vacation.
Here is my passport.
I'll stay for 1 week.
Honesty is the best policy. Nice speaking.
After checking everything, the officer looked at me seriously.
Oh no.
And then he stamped my passport and said, "Enjoy your trip."
The best words at the airport.
I wanted to dance right there, but I controlled myself. Haha.
Remember, immigration officers are just doing their job. Stay calm, be polite, smile, and answer simply.
And just like learning English, confidence grows with practice. You're doing amazing. Thank you for joining us at Amjee's English World. If this story helped you, hit like and subscribe for more warm, friendly English lessons.
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.